The Assembly dissolved into a committee of the whole for a clause-to-clause consideration for necessary amendment of the two bills, having suspended relevant sections of the House rules for an accelerated consideration where it amended some sections of the bill before passing it into law. The Speaker, Alhaji Kabiru Ajoto, gave insight into the proceedings and ordered the Clerk of the House to send clean copies of the bill for the establishment of a State Health Insurance Commission and that for a law to eliminate violence in private and public life, prohibit all forms of violence against persons, and to provide maximum protection and effective remedies for victims and punishment of offenders to the Edo State Governor for assent.
I remember as a member of the 4th and 5th Assembly, this very bill suffered setback in the 4th Assembly, it suffered setback in the 5th Assembly, and now the 6th Assembly have passed it into law. I congratulate the 6th Assembly.
Proponents of the bills, the Deputy Speaker, Dr. Justin Okonobo, commended members for the passage of the Health Insurance Bill, which he said, when domesticated, will enable Edo State access funds for women and other vulnerable members of the society through the National Health Insurance Scheme. The member representing Nwode constituency, Elizabeth Ativie, described the passage of the Violence Against Persons Bill as a parting gift by the 6th Assembly, having suffered setbacks in the 4th and 5th Assemblies.
In the Edo State Health Insurance Commission law, the 4th part under the informal sector has the equity plan, which are for the aged, the pregnant women, those under age 5, prisoners and other vulnerable people. Because we have passed this bill today, the state will be able to access that fund.
This assembly has made a history. This bill came into the two past assemblies and it was killed and it was not passed. But because this is a very proactive house, history, we always remember us, Mr. Speaker, for allowing this law to be passed today.
The House earlier entertained a petition on a case of serious ill treatment, acts of threat to life, abandonment, neglect and oppression of one Mr. Bebe Okala by Rongtai Aluminium Nigeria Limited, which the Speaker, Alhaji Kabiru Ajoto, ordered an ad hoc committee headed by member representing Onwa East constituency, Folio Gedebwe, to submit its report within 2 weeks. There was a mild drama during plenary following an observation of an alleged improper dressing and wearing of a face cap with a suspected political inscription by a member representing Esan West constituency, Monday Ehigalua, by the majority leader, Roland Asoro.
Member representing Esan West should please excuse us. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Ehigalua was subsequently walked out of plenary. The House adjourned till February 25th, 2019. Kingsley Uchegbu reporting.